Hi friends, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to enable the developer option tab in MS Excel. So let's see how to do it. Just start MS Excel and click on blank workbook. You can see the developer option is not available here. So let's see how to enable it. So just click on file menu and go to options. Just click on customize ribbon, and in the right hand side you can see the developer option is untick here. Okay, so just tick this option and press OK. You can see the developer option is available now. Okay, so it is very easy. So hope you like this video guys. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.